Welcome, in front of me is a REALME X3 SuperZoom, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. And to get started, we'll need to power off the device. There we go. Slide it down, and once the device shuts off, you will then want to hold power key and volume down, I believe. And when you see the REALME logo, you can let go. From here, select the language and tap on Wipe Data. And if you have some kind of protection, you will need to confirm it. If you don't, it will just give you some kind of a random 4-digit number that you just simply need to insert it. It will be written somewhere like right here. But because I have a pattern, that's what I need to confirm. And from here, make sure you tap on the Format Data. Wipe Data doesn't really wipe data. As you can see, it tells you it retains contacts, messages, and photos, so makes this option kind of useless and contradicting the wiping part of it. So make sure you tap on the Format Data below. It will give you a message that all user data will be reset, or in other words, it will be removed. So if there is like photos, videos that you might want to keep, something like that, you might want to back it up before, otherwise it will be gone permanently. But assuming you have done it or you don't care, tap on Format and wait for the process to finish. So at this stage it's fairly quick. Once it's finished, it will tell us that it's complete, and just confirm it by tapping on OK. And this will, there we go, tap on OK, and this will reboot the device and continue the process in the background. So I'll be back once the process is finished and we can see the Android setup screen. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.